Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is 𝐂𝐃𝐄, and for today's video we're going to be talking about my hair, as we always do. For today we're going to be talking about QVR Hair, and the hair that's installed is from QVR Hair. They sent me these crochet hair, and I have in about like 5 packs installed in my hair, and it's the ombre type of style. So it's so cute, so different from what I am used to. I have not had an ombre hair since back in the day when ombre was a thing, but we're bringing it back, or at least we're trying to see if it could come back. That's what's going on right now. So this hair is like 3-toned hair color. Like it starts off brown, and it goes darker brown, and it goes a lighter honey brown type of color. So something new I'm working with. And for this crochet hair, I have no leave-out as always, because 2026 we are not trying to manipulate our hair. They really did their big one when it comes to like crochet human hair. It's a little pricey, but I believe it actually it's manageable, like, and it makes sense, the price, because when you remove this hair you can put it aside, wash it, and re-put it in your hair, and it's super lightweight. So that is my little opinion on crochet hair. And if you like this hairstyle, then keep on watching this video, because I recorded a tutorial for you guys. Okay guys, so I have finished doing my crochet. I actually finished like 2 days ago. I don't know, I have no reason. When I finished, I had to go to work the next day, so like I was just a little bit tired, and like I didn't have time to really like, or like, I'm not gonna say I never had time, I was just very tired. This is the hair. I just washed it. If it looks a little bit wet, that's what's going on. I'm just gonna spray some oil on this hair because I just washed it and I don't want it to be too dry. Now I'm gonna use my blow dryer to diffuse this hair, and yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some gel around my edges. This is what I do for all my crochet hairstyles when I do not have any leave out. So this is the gel that I usually use when it comes to like blending my hair with this crochet hair. I just leave out my edges so that it looks way more natural. I just have to have my edges out. And then I'm just gonna put some edge control and sweep up my edges as I always do. So that is me just styling this hair. Now when it comes to blending the crochet, I'll show you guys how easy it is to blend in crochet hair. It took a lot of like trial and error to like figure it out, but it's literally the easiest thing ever. So just take any tail comb you have, and then at the roots just brush it towards your part. And so here is the crochet. I'm just gonna do this. Like, I'm not teasing it, I'm just kind of messing up the front so it's not so defined. That's all it is. See, doesn't it look so natural, or is it just me? Am I just lying to myself? It looks so natural. Like, I am even tripped out myself. Like, what the hell? And like, if I really wanted to, I could do a side part. Like, I could do a side part and just do the same thing. Like, okay, so this is the hair. I think I'm gonna keep it as a side part. At first I'm like, you know what, I'm a middle part girl, but I'm kind of feeling the side part. The side part looks a bit, it's giving Beyonce. If I don't say so myself. But anyways, this is basically the result of my hair. Not much went into the process of installing it in my head. Like, it takes approximately like 3 hours to install crochet, and if you're taking longer, that's probably because you don't know how to install it. And honestly, I install it the simplest way possible. I don't do a million knots to secure the hair in my head, because from my experience, it's fine. Like, yeah, you're gonna experience some pieces coming out, but like, it is what it is. It's kind of like the same thing when you have boho braids. Like, you're gonna experience some braids coming out. Like, it's just a part of it. But, and it's honestly because I don't secure it so much, because I'm the one that has to take this out, and I don't want the removal process to be longer than needed. And yeah, so that is why I do my hair the way how I do. So that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned a few little tips and tricks to blend in your crochet. It's honestly not rocket science. Anybody could do this hair. You do not need to go to a hair salon to get this hair done. Maybe you need to go to a hair salon to get it removed, but that's it. Okay? And if you saw my nail missing, don't talk about it. But anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more hair content and content in general. See you later.